Hi, my name's Marie Antos. I'm the Commodore at Huntington Harbour Yacht Club. This is Steve. He is our Vice Commodore here, and he's going to give us a tour.
Welcome to Huntington Harbour Yacht Club. We have a car show today, open house. If you wish to join as a new member, the ambassadors will take care of you. The events we have going on, Catalina is one of our next cruises going to Avalon. Those are member events. But if you join now, you can go to Catalina with us.
You also have Kelly over here. Kelly is our event coordinator. Kelly, can you just give a brief description of what you do and what we offer here at Huntington Harbour Yacht Club?
Hi, I'm Kelly Kaplan, the event coordinator here at HHYC. We throw weddings, corporate parties, anything you can think of, reunions. And if you would like to book an event with us, contact me at eventcoordinator@hhyc.org on email, or you can go to our website under private parties or private events, and I look forward to working with you.
Hi, I'm here promoting the Sea Bells. My name's Barbara. Sea Bells is an auxiliary of the Huntington Harbor, and we raise funds to enhance our club.
This is where you want to be in the evening, enjoying a nice drink. The harbor's a beautiful place to be. And here at Huntington Harbour Yacht Club, we have one of the best views in the harbor. Here in the Commodore Lounge is really where everybody hangs out. We have all the burgees from all the reciprocal clubs from around the world. Every Sunday, open to the public for brunch or breakfast.
Hey you guys, welcome to the Huntington Harbour Yacht Club. But today we're making it into the Huntington Harbour Car Club.
Hi, I'm Colleen Sheehan, and I brought an F50 and a Ferrari 412P Tribute. And the 412P is a 1967, and pretty sure most people who are into Ferraris know quite a bit about the F50 already. But, you know, I'm glad to bring them out today. The F50 is based off of Ferrari's Formula One cars. And so it's kind of like a Formula One car with, body panels mounted around it to make it street legal. The engine is mounted directly to the firewall in the back, so it makes the most incredible sounds. It's very loud on the inside because you have the engine mounted right there with the cam chain. It's a visceral feeling to drive.
Tell me about this car.
So it's a 1967 412P. It's a tribute. They only made 4 real ones. The last one sold 2 years ago for about $30 million.
Steve Parsons here, Vice Commodore, Huntington Harbour Yacht Club. I just wanted to show off some of my cars here today at our open house. What's so funny?